Are you a Nigerian and you are probably wondering how you can start making money online using AI? What if I told you that you don't need to be a tech expert before you start earning with AI? On this particular video, I'm going to be showing you the easiest and the most practical way that you can make money online starting today. Even if you're just hearing about AI today, after watching this video, you are going to be learning and you are going to know what you need to do starting today to start making money with AI. Alright, so do well to watch the video till the end. Do not skip any part of it because I'm going to be taking it bit by bit. I won't be taking my time to actually give you guys all the earning opportunities that lies within the AI ecosystem. So it's all very simple and so easy, and most commonly it is very free. All right, so you don't need to pay for most of the tools I'm going to be talking about right here on this particular video. So without wasting time, guys, let's now dive in. Let me show you how you can be able to start making money 2026 using AI. Hi guys, and welcome back to the channel. I'm Crypto Mechanic, and if you are new to my channel, on this channel I make video around how to make money online. I talk about crypto and airdrop, and I talk about a lot of digital earning opportunity. On this particular video, guys, we are going to be talking about something very common these days. We are going to be talking about how to make money using AI. But first of all, what is AI and why is it a big opportunity? AI simply stands for artificial intelligence, and it means a tool or software that can think, write, design, and even create videos and pictures like humans. All right now, businesses all over the world are paying people to actually use AI tools to help them write content, design graphics, create videos, automate tasks. Do you know the best part of this whole thing? You can do all this in Nigeria and still get paid in dollars. The first method to actually make money online using AI tool is through AI freelancing. All right, so you can use AI tools to offer services like video editing, social media posts, logo design, and content writing. And the platform to actually use to actually get this done or to get these jobs is the first one is Fiverr, the second one is Upwork, and the third one is Freelancer. For example, you can actually get a job on Freelancer or Fiverr and write an article within minutes, and you know that you can actually get paid within $10 to about $50 for just using an AI tool to write an article and submit it to the person that requested about it. So this is one of the easiest way to make money online using AI in Nigeria. Now, the second way to actually make money online using AI in Nigeria is through content creating. You can use channels like a YouTube channel, a TikTok page, or a blog, and using AI you can create video, you can edit video, you can create voiceover and make a lot of posts using AI. All right, so for example, right now in Nigeria you can use a faceless YouTube channel. Now, what's the faceless YouTube channel? A faceless YouTube channel is a channel that you are not showing your face on it, but you are posting content regularly on it. So in Nigeria you can use a faceless YouTube channel to make over $2,000 every single month using AI, and this actually requires you to grow your YouTube channel, and when your channel gets monetized you can get money through advert or sponsorship or a lot of affiliates. All right, so through this method you can actually make good money, I mean millions of Nigerian currency every single month using AI. AI is actually a very powerful tool to actually elevate you out of poverty. So right now let's talk about the third method to actually make money in Nigeria using AI. The third method to actually make money online using AI is through the selling of digital products. Right, so this is one of the most powerful way to generate good income online using AI. For example, you can use AI to create ebook, online courses, templates, and designs, and these products you can sell them on Paystack store, you can sell them on Seller, you can also sell them on Gumroad. All right, so for example, right now you can actually use AI to create an ebook and sell them over and over. You do this repeatedly, and from there you are generating thousands of dollars. All right, so right now let's talk about the last method to make money online using AI before I go ahead to give you the most spicy thing that you can ever hear from this particular video. Now, the fourth and the final method of using AI to generate income that I'm going to be talking about on this particular video is using AI for crypto and airdrop. So if you are into crypto like a lot of my friends on this particular channel, you can actually use AI to actually research for new projects. You can use AI to join airdrops very early and also use AI to analyze trend. All right, so for example, you can actually use AI to create content around crypto and crypto airdrops, and posting this online, especially on YouTube and Telegram, is going to be helping you to generate a very good income. Not just that, but if you are into anything affiliate or affiliate marketing as regards crypto and Web3 as a whole, this is going to help you boost your referral in such a way that you can never imagine. All right, so right now let's talk about the tools that you actually need to get started on making money online using AI. So I'm going to be listing out the tool, and I'm going to be attaching the use of that tool, and of course some of the important information around this that you actually need to get started. Now, the tools that you actually need to get started on making money online using AI is you need chatbots for writing, that is content writing or script writing, and you need image generators for design. You need video generator for video content. All right, so most of all these tools that I'm talking about right here on this particular video, most of them are free, but I'm going to be talking about these particular tools in detail on the next video that I'm going to be making in the future. Do you know the best part? The best part is that most of all these tools that I'm actually talking about, most of them have free version. That simply means that you don't really need to pay for all these tools before you actually get started, meaning that money is not your problem to get started on making money online using AI. Now, I'm about to conclude the video, but before I conclude the video, I won't be fast enough to forget to tell you guys about how to get paid in Nigeria if you're making money online using AI. There are some certain ways that you can actually get paid in Nigeria if you're making money online. All right, so first of all, you can get paid through Pioneer. All right, so this is very versatile in Nigeria, and a lot of people are using it to receive payments in dollars. All right, so we also have the Wise. All right, so we have another one called Wise. This is also a very good option, and one of the most common one for almost everyone in Nigeria is what we call crypto wallet. All right, so with crypto wallet you can receive payment from anybody around the world. All right, so right now, with all the information that I'm actually giving to you guys through this particular video, you are very ready to get started on making money online using AI. One of the bitter truths that I'm going to tell you for free on this particular video is that AI has an endless earning opportunity, and one thing about this AI that is currently evolving is that it is going to get even much better and even much easier as time progresses, and the earlier you start, the better for you. All right, so if you have any question about all this that I've said on this particular video, do well to reach out to me right there on the comment section, and I'll be there to help you immediately. So I'm going to be making a lot of videos subsequently about AI, and I'm going to be showing you guys a lot of free tools that you can use to generate video, generate picture, write scripts, and a lot of important things I'm going to be dishing out on this particular channel. All right, so if you find the video interesting, please do not forget to like and subscribe if you haven't done that yet. Most importantly, do well to share this video, because someone out there is probably wondering how do they start making money online, or the person is probably hearing about AI but doesn't know where or how to even get started. All right, so thank you so much for watching the video. If you find it interesting, do not forget to engage on our channel, and do most importantly share this video. I'm begging you in the name of God. All right, so thank you so much for watching the video, guys, and I'll be talking to you guys on the next video that I'm going to be dropping very soon. Peace out, and of course, do have a lovely day.